Hi guys! Today I will be showing you 2 tricks you can do with the Rubik's Cube. The first trick is called a donut or a flower. The second trick is called the checkerboard. So let's start doing the flower first. The first step you need to do is take this upper middle part down over here, like this. See? You can choose any color you want. I just chose white. Then you need to take this middle part and swipe it over here, like this. You see? So it's like this. It looks a bit mixed up, but we'll fix that. Then we take this back into place here because we brought it from there, like this. Then we take this back into place because we brought it from here, just like this. And done. This is a donut or flower pattern. See? It looks just like a donut or flower. If you want to solve it, do this. You need to look at the middle parts. Now I figured it out. You need to get to a spot that looks like this. This orange middle part goes here. This white middle part goes here, and this green middle part goes here. So we need to take this white part, because it belongs here, upward, like this, so it gets where it's supposed to be. Then we get this orange part, because there's 2 oranges here, up here. Then we take this back to connect with these both, like this. So that part is finished. All we need to do right now is take that down like that. And done! We got the Rubik's Cube as what it was before. Now, the second trick is the trick called the checkerboard. To do that, so this is the middle row, and you turn it left. And you take this part back into its place. And then you do that again, like this. So that the middle part that was supposed to be here, comes over here. Now what you're supposed to do is this is the middle row, this is the middle column. So you need to turn it up 2 times, like this. And again. So the spot that was supposed to be here is here. Now we have 2 checkerboards, but we want these spots to be checker too. So what we are supposed to do is we need to take this middle part 2 times so it goes on the opposite side here. So let us do that. You just do 1 spin and 2 spin. And now it's all checkerboards. If you want it back to the normal one, you need to take this, do 1, 2, and this also 1, 2, so it goes back to that place. Then we need to get this back over here. So we do 1, 2, and all we need to do now is 1, 2. And now everything's solved. If you want to know how to solve a Rubik's Cube wholly, like this one, look in the link in the description below. Bye!